Hi everyone. Okay. Well, I managed to get 3 sets of these envelopes done with some journal cards. And I'm not finished them, but they're covered now with the paper, and the die cuts are done. I'm going to show you that right away. And then I put some scrappy papers on top. So what I did here is I used a rectangular frame to make the die cut on this one. And so now I have these 2 pieces of ephemera that I can use elsewhere in a journal. And my little flippy flap is made. And I haven't covered that side of it because it will be glued down wherever I put it. And I've done the decorating on the other side as well. Now this one, I cut a little too close to the edge. Only because I was trying to save this wild, and I didn't want it to be too crowded in here, so I cut more to the edge. So I'll just have to go with my double-sided tape to glue the acetate window in eventually, and then I can start decorating. And so I'm leaving everything at this stage right now, and then when I come back, then at the end you will see them all sort of done. With the acetate in there and some more decoration. And I'm not sure if I'm going to have it this way or this way, so I will make sure to decorate it pretty neutral in this case because, you know, I'm not sure which way. I think it would be better to have it upright like this. You know, it's kind of, well, I don't know, maybe with the window in there, it'll give it a little bit more stability. We'll see. I will put the window in next. So yeah, so then I have these 2 frames, or a frame and this little ticket thing that I can, you know, collage or make into a tuck spot or something to use with all of this, or a tab. So there's that. And then this is the other half of the envelope, you know, that the back side of the envelope or whatever on this side here. So what I did is I only decorated the one side. Oh, this one turned out perfect. And so I cut 2 windows out of here, thinking that I'll do acetate on both of them. And then I may, you know, I have the option. I can cut this in half and make 2 pockets, or I can make a wraparound pocket. So again, undecided, but I will play on the idea of using stuff that is non-directional. So that I can use it any which way I want. But that gave me 2 more little pieces, you know, from cutting out the windows. And these ones are blank on the back, so they would make cute little tags that I can use in my journal. And then a journaling card, because there was 1 piece of this left over. It's still a little curved because it's still damp, this one, but I will everything will get stitched around now to further secure it. So yeah, I might even do that with this. That's an idea, just to secure the acetate that way. We'll see. So yeah, so everything will get secure or stitched around, and then I will do the decorating and hopefully show you all these today. So this is 1 set, and then this was the 2nd set. So same thing. I have, get it out here. I have the centers from the flap, and then I have those pieces, and there's the window. This window I put more in the center, added a little bit of decoration on the back. I see I'm lifting a little bit, but I'm going to be sewing it all down, so I'm not too concerned. And then the other side is decorated as well. Made a journal card with that set, and it is done. Calling it a day on that one. And then I will proceed to the next step with all of these. And then this is my last set. Now I was playing around as I went along. So I ended up, I didn't use quite as much as the scrap paper on this set. So I ended up being able to get 2 of these tuck spots done. So one will definitely become a set of pockets, and then the other one will be a tuck spot, I think. I don't know. It'll depend on when I get it in the journal. But then I have a journaling card. So I have 4 of these that can be used as tags. Because I did the two windows, 2 sets of windows. And then I have the frame here. Here I only put a little bit on the frame afterwards. I had actually hole punched this one first and then did the decorating. But then I got lazy and put it all on and then cut them out, because then it's more fun to see what you get. You don't know exactly what you're going to get. So yeah, that was this set here. So I just thought I would check in with you and show you where I'm at. I have 3 complete sets. So now I'm going to sew them and start decorating, and hopefully by 4-ish, 5-ish, I will have something to show you and it'll be finished and done. Let's hope. Okay, see you in a bit.